everyone, hope you all are fine today. So I'm back with another video, but this time this is not a review video or a haul video. This will be a general vlog kind of video where I'll be walking you through the procedure of making reels on Instagram. So I'll have made 3 or 4 reels on Instagram. So I got some DMs to dictate how to make that. So here I am with the video. So guys, this is how you make it. This is my Instagram ID as you can see on the screen. So before I proceed with the video, I would request you to please join me over Instagram, and trust me guys, I would love to welcome you there. First, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon that's right on the bottom, and this will open where you'll see reel. Alright, once you click on that, there will be another window where you can see this effect icon. Right, when you click on that effect icon, the currently used effect will open, which is you can see on the screen. So this is a blank video just to show you how it goes through. At the end of this video, I'll attach a reel for your information. Now this is how it looks like. The video will be uploaded, and we will show you how the video runs on the screen. It is a real interesting thing which Instagram has come up with. The people who were TikTokers can now switch on to Reels, and guys, trust me, it is a real fun thing to do. You've got n number of things to work upon. Of effects, I'll just walk you through the number of effects, the types of effects available. Now there is an option, browse effects, right? If you click on the current effect, you'll get this feature. There are n number of options here regarding the Instagram effects. Then there's selfie effect, there's the scientific effects, there are horrific effects. There's so many things, and there are n number of things. You can click on any of the video to select or to try that particular effect which is being played on that particular video. Alright, so these are all Instagram effect. You can check with the selfies effect. I have installed a few of them, and they are real fun to do. If you have been on TikTok earlier, you will really enjoy this particular feature of Instagram. So you'll scroll down and you'll get n number of videos. You have to click on any of those videos to get that particular effect on your face, or maybe something else if you're trying. Alright, see, there's so many options available. There's surroundings, there are animals, there are sci-fi and fantasy. Like if you want to if you want animes, if you want any kind of Disney creature. So I'll just check with anime. There is an option we can instantly try. Right, there's an option here, try it, and you can instantly try that particular effect. Okay, and trust me guys, it's a real fun. So I've just selected that, the anime one, and you see, now there are certain reels which come with a default voice or a music, you can say, but if you want to change that, there's an option for that as well. There are so many songs available on Instagram. So those are people who might have made stories on Instagram are aware of it. There are so many songs available. So if you want to replace a particular default song, you can do that very easily, and you can enact on it. You can do whatever you feel like, and it's real fun. It's real fun. So each one of you should try it. All those who have tried, you might be aware of the fun involved, and all those of you who have not tried till now, I think you should go and try this. So see, there are so many you cannot even imagine. There's so many variety of options available. You can try, you can change your face color, you can change the background, you can change the effect. You can actually shoot the videos in splits, and you can also save them as draft. So when you feel like, you can actually go ahead and post them, right? And I'll just show you something here. This is the current effect which I'm trying. This is Vogue Fashion Magazine effect, and if you click your picture here, you can also click pictures. Let me inform you here, you can also make reels, you can also click pictures here. Now let's see how we can add effects to that. Like, these are the default effects which are available when you try to make reels. These are the default effects, but there are so many default effects as well, and they are really beautiful, they are really fun, but you can add up so many things. So the default will come on one side and the added ones will come on the other side. This is the Doraemon one, which I've made a reel out of it, and I will post a video at the end of this particular video. I'll post it reel here in this video also. So if you want, because this particular Doraemon thing comes with a default tone, if you want to change that tone, you can select, this is the way you will select a particular song, and you can suppose if I'm trying, I'll just check one song here, I'll select a song and I'll show you how you can replace the default song, or if the effect doesn't come with a song, you can also add a particular song there. So here I have shown you how to select a song, and you can actually do a lip sync of that song, and it looks really beautiful. Now let's see the kind of reel I've made out of Instagram, and enjoy. So guys, this was a small walkthrough of how to create reels on Instagram. If you really like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and if you're a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you will be notified about the latest uploads on my channel, and please do follow my Instagram ID as well. This is all for today. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.